Ever find yourself stuck in a content rut? Well, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT to create killer marketing content. First up, let's talk emails. Imagine you need to send out a promotional email, but you're short on time. Just hop onto ChatGPT and type in a prompt like, "Write an engaging promotional email for our new product launch." Within seconds, you'll have a polished email ready to go. You can tweak it to match your brand's voice and boom, you're done. Next, let's move to blog posts. Struggling with writer's block? Give ChatGPT a topic or even a headline. For instance, write a blog post about the benefits of using eco-friendly products. ChatGPT will produce a well-structured article that you can refine and make your own. It's like having a virtual writing assistant. Now, on to social media. We all know how demanding it can be to keep up with multiple platforms. Use ChatGPT to generate catchy social media posts. Just type something like, "Create an Instagram post announcing our spring sale with a playful tone." Watch as it crafts a post that grabs attention and drives engagement. And finally, video scripts. Whether you're creating a TikTok video, product demos, tutorials on YouTube, or promotional videos, ChatGPT can help. Input a prompt like, "Write a 2-minute video script introducing our new software update." You'll get a concise, engaging script that's ready for production. So there you have it. Emails, blog posts, social media, and video scripts, all powered by ChatGPT. Give it a try and take your marketing content to the next level. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.